Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to Instagram bio. So first of all, let's go to Instagram application. Okay, now I'm going to my profile. Now here you can see this is my bio. Okay, now if I click on edit profile, you will be able to see that this is the bio. And let's suppose if I try to add any link in my bio. Okay, and here you can see that if I go to my profile, this link is not really clickable. Alright, so what you can do is you can simply just don't keep any bio. Alright, so just keep this bio totally blank, and here you can see if I go to my profile, now you can see I'm not able to see anything because I haven't said anything. So now here you can see the website option available. Alright, so you have to put the link. So in website option you have to put that link which you want to put on, and also just set this up. Now here you can see if you keep your bio totally clean, and if you just simply add the website or that link you want, you can simply, here you can see I'm just able to go to this link. Alright, so you can simply just tell the people that just to go to your profile and check out your link or website or YouTube channel, whatever it is. So that's how you can trick that thing, and you can add a clickable link to Instagram bio. So I hope you guys understand how you can do this. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.